How to lock Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to lock Instagram. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Settings app on your device. Now, tap on the Privacy option. Select Privacy next to Permissions. Here under Privacy Protection, you will get three options: App Lock, Hide Apps, Private Safe. To lock Instagram app, select App Lock and enter your privacy password. Then you will get access to this App Lock section where you need to make sure to toggle the button on for App Lock. If not, simply tap on the lock beside it and then turn it on. After that, you will see all application here. You need to scroll down and choose Instagram. Toggle the button on and next to all you will get the locked option. Select that. And from here you can see the Instagram app has been locked. If you want to check it, you can easily launch Instagram app, and whenever you try to open Instagram app, this will ask you a privacy password to enter. So you cannot make any changes if your Instagram app is locked. Suppose if you want to uninstall, tap and hold on Instagram and tap on the trash button. So it will say that this app is protected by app lock. Unlock this app in settings, privacy, app lock before installing it. So that is how we lock Instagram app. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.